मन लागा तुम्ही सन मोरा मन. Are you looking for a music class where you can learn Indian classical music in a right way? Now, what do you mean by right way? I have seen that there are many students, many students in this entire world who are learning Indian classical music, who are doing riyaz for hours and hours, for years and years, but they are not able to sing properly. They are not able to perform properly. They are not able to sing that particular rag for 30 to 40 minutes. And Indian classical music is a music where you need to express yourself in the form of those ragas, and you have to sing it for 30-40 minutes. Lagi mohe aaz darsan ki, lagi mohe aaz dijo daras das dijo daras das sujat nahi kachu kaj man laga. So Indian classical music is not just about learning theories. I understand that theories are very important. I understand that. But along with learning theories, Indian classical music needs to be learned in a practical way, such that you can perform that particular thing, such that you can express yourself in front of your audience, or you express yourself in front of yourself to express your happiness with the help of this music. तुम्ही सन मोरा मन लागा तुम्ही सन. If you are very serious about learning Indian classical music, then I would like to invite you for my offline music class. This music class is conducted in Mulund East in Mumbai. So if you are living in Mumbai and if you can travel to Mulund East, in my studio, nothing like it. I'm going to teach you, I'm going to uphold you in each and every aspect of music. I'm going to take care of each and every sur that you will sing. I'm going to take care of each and every matras that you will count. I will take care of everything. So if you're very serious about learning music, book your free trial now and visit my studio at the given timings, and let us start your journey of learning Indian classical music face to face. This is Harshad Kamble signing off. Until we meet again. Tumi